The garden strawberry, or simply strawberry, is a widely grown hybrid species of the genus Fragaria, which are cultivated worldwide for their fruit. The fruit is widely appreciated for its characteristic aroma, bright red color, juicy texture, and sweetness. It is consumed in large quantities, either fresh or in such prepared foods as jam, juice, pies, ice cream, milkshakes, and chocolates. Artificial strawberry flavorings and aromas are also widely used in products such as candy, soft lip gloss, perfume, and many others. Let's know some amazing health benefits of strawberry. The prime health benefit of strawberries is that it helps in keeping the heart healthy. This fruit is rich in essential antioxidants like algic acid. Besides, there are heart-friendly flavonoids such as camphorol, catechin, anthocyanin, and quercetin. It boosts brain power. This tempting fruit is rich in iodine, phytochemicals, and vitamin C. Besides, there is potassium in strawberries that help improve the cognitive function of the brain. Third surprising benefit of eating strawberries is that it helps in eye care. This is due to the rich vitamin C content in this red plum fruit. Vitamin C content in strawberries helps to repair eye tissues. Eating strawberries every day is good for your bone health. Recent research revealed that this red fruit is rich in anti-inflammatory properties, which is good to combat osteoarthritis. Moreover, the amounts of antioxidants found in strawberries help in making bones strong. Being a fruit with a low GI or glycemic index, strawberries are good to regulate type 2 diabetes. Eating strawberries regularly helps to control blood sugar levels. Strawberries are not good just when eaten, but also good when applied to the skin in a paste form. Many cosmetic companies use strawberries to protect the skin against harmful ultraviolet rays. Use strawberry masks to keep your skin fresh and supple. Strawberries are rich in antioxidants, which help in reducing arthritis pain. Strawberries act as detoxifiers and remove the toxic substances from the body, offering relief from gout symptoms. Among other astonishing strawberry benefits, we have its effect on preventing birth defects. If pregnant women eat strawberries every day, she gets a good dose of folic acid, which prevents birth defects in the baby. For many people, this may sound weird, but yes, strawberries are beneficial for weight loss. This exotic fruit helps to curb appetite and thereby helps to reduce body weight. Moreover, it boosts the production of fat-burning hormones like leptin and adiponectin. It helps boost immunity. Being a rich source of vitamin C, strawberries help to build up your immune system. Hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe us to get more videos like these. Press the bell icon for all updates. Stay connected. Thanks for watching.